Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the third match in the best-of-3 quarter-final series. Scores are Arden High ahead on 8 points, Jamaica College on 6. Arden High leads the series 1-0, and Jamaica College is trying to level the series and force a deciding match. It's now time for the Speed Challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible during 3 separate 60-second periods. Jamaica College, you were sent in to bat first. It's time for your first minute. What does Jehovah Rapha mean?
Lord, my healer.
Correct, Lord, our healer, yes. Which glands in a woman's body produce milk?
Milk. Glands. Thyroid glands.
Mammary. Does the word prolixity refer to speaking at length or speaking briefly?
Speaking briefly.
Speaking at length. In which city is the headquarters of the World Food Programme of the United Nations? Correct. Bobo, Dioulasso, and Banfora are major cities in which West African country?
Angola.
Burkina Faso. Bucharest is the capital, the largest city of, correct. Who performed the song We Are Jamaica at the 2020 Jamaica Festival Song Finals?
Sakina dear.
That's right. What is the name of the chemical compound with formula HCO2H?
HCO2H. This is definitely ethanoic acid.
Sorry?
Ethanoic acid.
Methanoic acid. If 60 is decreased by 45%, what is the result?
45.
56. 45.
33. Who is the musical director of the Jamaican play Crinchy Mon, The Christmas Thief?
Oliver Samuel.
Sharida Sharp, The Republic of... we won't have time. Well done, JC, for your first minute. Arden, coming over to you now for your first minute. What does Jehovah Nissi mean?
The Lord, my banner.
Our banner, correct. Which glands in the human body produce earwax?
Cerunus glands.
Correct. Does the word procellus mean calm or stormy?
Calm.
Stormy. In which city is the headquarters of the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees?
Geneva.
That's right. The historical city Timbuktu is located in which West African country?
Mali.
That's right. Kuala Lumpur is the capital.
Malaysia.
That's right. Who performed the song One People at the 2020 Jamaica Festival Song Finals?
Pass.
Sugar. What is the chemical compound with the formula CH3CH2CO2H?
Ethanoic acid.
Propanoic acid. If 25 is decreased by 20%, what is the result?
20.
Correct. Who is the executive director of the local theatre company Ashe?
Pass.
Conroy Wilson. In what year was Egypt proclaimed a republic?
1945.
53. Rajon Rondo is a player for which NBA team?
Pass.
Atlanta Hawks. Well done, Arden, for your first minute. Jamaica College, not ready for the buzzer section yet. We are ready for your second minute here in the Speed Challenge. The Republic of Spain was proclaimed in what year of the 20th century?
1916.
31. Daniel Green Jr. is a player for which NBA team?
Philadelphia 76ers.
Sorry?
Philadelphia 76ers.
Correct. Whose proposal of the quantum theory resulted in him being... Sorry?
Max Planck.
That's right. The Nobel Prize. What does the Spanish verb creer mean?
To believe.
That's right. Who wrote the novel 8 Days, A Story of Haiti?
Gabriel Garcia Marquez.
Edwige Danticat. In what year was the Gleaner newspaper first published in Jamaica?
1834.
That's right. In the Bible, who was called the beloved disciple?
John.
That's right. What is the hard tissue layer underlying the enamel of the human tooth called?
Dentin.
That's right. What group of animals is called a congress? Salamanders. Arif Alvi is the president of which
Pakistan.
country? Correct. Which UN organization uses the abbreviation UPU?
UPU. Universal Postal Union.
Correct. In which ocean are the Polynesian islands located?
Indian Ocean.
Sorry?
Indian Ocean.
Pacific. Which Jamaican artist released the 2019 album Chile Are Gone?
Carnival.
Okay, I heard something before. Spraga Benz is the correct answer. That is incorrect. All right, JC, a little shouty. JC, no need. Coming over to you, Arden, now for your second minute. Who is considered to be the father of atomic physics?
Democritus.
Niels Bohr. What does the Spanish verb buscar mean?
To search for or to look for.
Correct. Who wrote the novel Yes, I Can, the story of the Jamaican bobsled team?
Pass.
Devon Harris. Which Jamaican high school was started at Winchester Park in 1850?
Pass.
St. George's College. In the Bible, which disciple was called the Rock?
Pito. Simon Pito.
Correct. What is the name of the layer of connective tissue that binds the roots of the human teeth firmly to the gums and jawbone?
Periodontal membrane.
Cementum. What group of animals is called a clouder?
Pass.
Cats. Moon Jae-in is the president
South Korea.
Correct. Which UN organization uses the abbreviation IMO?
International Maritime Organization.
Correct. What is the name of the small South Pacific island northwest of Tahiti in French Polynesia?
Pass.
Bora Bora. Which Jamaican artist released the 2019 album As I Am?
Julian Marley.
That's right. What is the chemical name for dolomite?
Pass.
Calcium magnesium carbonate. What is the area? And we won't have time. Well done, Ardenne, for your second minute. Gentlemen, coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. Which element in the periodic table is sometimes referred to as brimstone?
Sulfur.
That's right. A square flower bed has an area of 2.25 square meters. What is the perimeter of the flower bed?
1.5 times 4. 6.
Centimeters. Squared.
6 meters. What TV character is actor Rowan Atkinson best known as?
Mr. Bean.
That's right. What is the largest city in Aruba?
Orange
That's right.
Correct. If a golfer finishes a hole in 2 strokes over
Pass.
par, it's called a double bogey. What was the first web-based email service?
Hotmail.
Correct. Translate to English. 470.
440.
470. Who is the author of the book Dandelion Wine?
C.S. Lewis.
Ray Bradbury. Complete the Jamaican proverb. And alaka tongue mek.
Konata.
Correct. In the Bible, who was the father of Moab and Ben-Ami?
Lot.
Correct. What is the scientific name for the major sweat glands of the human body found in virtually all skin?
Epicrine.
Sorry?
Epicrine gland. Or sebaceous gland.
Merocrine or ecrine. Well done, gentlemen, for your third and final minute. Arden High, coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. What is the area of a square plot of land with a perimeter of 5.6 meters?
1.96 meters squared.
Square meters, correct. Give the last name of the French inspector in the series of Pink Panther films.
Pass.
Clouseau. Mindanao is the second largest island in which island chain? Correct. And if a golfer finishes a hole in 1 stroke under par, what is this called?
Eagle.
It's a birdie. In what year was the world's first web-based email launched?
1999.
96. Translate to English. 580.
580.
Correct. Who is the author of the book White Oleander?
Pass.
Janet Fitch. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Dirty water can put?
Out fire.
Correct. In the Bible, who was the father of Perez and Zerah?
Judah.
Correct. What specific system of the body comprises the skin and its appendages acting to protect the body from various kinds of damage? Sorry?
Integumentary system.
Correct. Spell preposterous.
Preposterous.
That's right. In Jamaica, who is the custos of... And we won't have time for that one. Well done, Arden, for your third and final minute. That's the end of the Speed Channels challenge. That should be scores in the match. Arden High just ahead on 26, Jamaica College on 24. When we come back, it'll be time for what's shaping up to be an exciting buzzer challenge, which will decide our winners. Can Jamaica College stay alive, or will Arden High close out the series 2-0? Stay with us. The third match of the best-of-3 quarterfinals in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.